Alright, got a 2007 Lexus in. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light on here. Maintenance light is on. We'll go ahead and reset that. So you start with the key off. You're going to push and hold this audio and trip button as you turn the key twice. Don't start the car, just turn it twice. So I'll do that real quick and we'll show you how that goes. So push and hold this button and then turn the key twice. And when it comes up, you'll see it counting down. Once that counts down, the maintenance light goes away and everything's reset.